Hi guys, Damien here. I just want to discuss the CJT4 injection types. Firstly, I'm going to create a new code block, call it Global Block because that's the first injection type. Click Create. I'm going to just put some text. This is the Global Code Block, and I want to assign it or inject it into a page. So I'm going to choose page 1, click Save, go to page 1. And as you can see, it's injected in the header of the page. If I view the page source, perform a search for start, and this is the comment wrapper for the block, and there's the text that I added before. So this is the comments for the CJT Global Block, and that's the block ID and that's the title. Next one I'm going to show you is the CJT Shortcode Block, and I'm going to create a new code block for that and call it Shortcode Block. Click Create. I'm going to add some text again. This is the Shortcode Block. Now I don't need to create a page for that, assign a page for that, because you embed shortcodes straight into the editor. So I'll click Save, and then I'm going to go back to page 1. I'm just going to close these down. Go back to page 1, click Edit, and CJT Plus users get this nifty little button that injects the shortcode straight in. So I'm going to choose ID80 Shortcode Block, click Update, go back to the page source. I just have to refresh this page, and then I'll perform a search for start, and there it is there. So we've got CJT Shortcode Block, and there's the string that I created earlier, the text. Next one I'm going to show you is CJT Metabox Blocks, and with this one I'm going to create a new code block called Metabox Block, and again we don't need to use the assignment panel. I'm going to go straight to the same page, and I'm going to click this link here. This is the Metabox Block here for CJT code blocks. Click OK. And I'm going to leave that title. I'm just going to call it, let's see, this is the Metabox Block, and I'll click Save. Since it's Ajax powered, I don't need to update the page here, and go back to the page source, click Refresh, and find, and there's our Metabox Block, and we've got, again, there's the title, the Metabox Block title, and that's the that tells you what type of injection type it is. So far we've got, I'll show you all the injection types. We've got the CJT Global Block, we've got a Meta Block, and we've got a Shortcode Block. The last one I want to show you is the CJT Widget Blocks, and widgets are in this section here, and we've got a little widget called CJT Block Widget Linker, which we can drag straight to. I'm going to drag it to the blog sidebar. I'm going to go back to the CJT dashboard, click New Code Block. This time I'm going to call it Widget Block. Click Create. Now I need to route this using the assignment panel, so I'm just going to choose a post because that allows sidebars. I'll click Post 1. I really need to put something in here so it'll output. This is the Widget Block. Click Save, and now I'm going to go back to widgets, and I'm going to choose that one. There's the code block there, Metabox Block. Sorry, it's not Metabox, is it? It's I better refresh the page so it can pull that in. Okay. There we go, Widget Block, and that'll put the shortcode in there. Click Save. Now I'll keep this checked because that will stop the code block from outputting to the post and make a duplicate. So this will prevent duplicates. And that was a post, so I'm going to click here, and there's our text appearing in the sidebar. And if I go view page source, we should be able to see the comment for the widget block. And there you have it. So there's the title, CJT Widget Block, It's using code block ID 84, and I titled it Widget Block, and there's the text that I put in the code block. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll catch you next time.